I just got back from my parents' house for Easter holiday, and this is the mess that welcomed me. Not like I didn't know it was there, but I somehow felt like it was going to disappear before I got back, but it didn't, so I have to fix it. And besides that, I have 3 days of long holiday, unusual because I work every day, and this is probably the longest period I have to take a break throughout this year. And I'm excited. I was supposed to be relaxing and chilling, but since I brought this upon myself, I have to fix it. Or maybe not fix it myself. Grandma Lucy will fix it. Let's start. I got this, guys. I don't know, Grown Alchemists. I think they have travel size stuff, but honestly, I feel like it's something I can have inside my purse for an everyday use. I like it. I really love this Revive Active supplement, but for the past few days I've been asked not to take it anymore. Maybe I'm doing too much of it, because also I don't know if anybody else reacts to zinc, but I think I do. Sometime last year I was taking zinc supplement often, and that's because of my hair. What's zinc supplement for again? Oh my god, what the is that? You guys, and it looks scary. It looks like something that can kill me. Oh my god. No, don't do this to me. I don't know how I'm going to get it. It's so small. And this stuff, I don't know where the cover of it went. I need to buy a new one, right? But still have products in this. But I don't know where the cover of it went. Maybe when I was cleaning my house and it fell off, and I do not remember to put it back. Because now I need it and I can't. When I spray this thing, I can't even do it in my house. Like, I'm tired. I don't know. I've never seen it before in my life. Okay. So there's two things. This does not have a cover, and it flies, so this cannot kill it. So I'm gonna like place this on the ground and press it on, and see if I touch it, it's gonna die. It's gonna be magnet and it's gonna die, right? I hope that's smart enough. Yes, it works, I swear. It's gonna die soon. Oh my god, I can't find it. I can't find it again. Ah! This is so much drama. I'm supposed to be relaxing today because I have work by like in 2 days, but tomorrow is still holiday here. And personally, I have DIYs that I need to complete, and I'm working on my personal brand, so I have to also focus on that. I don't know if I really have the energy to continue this video, but I'm going to do it.
So I was right. You were too good to be true. Was this love fulfilling, or did I just fill my void like a fool? Yeah. That final night when you sit down, I miss you. I believed it did not, 'cause it felt like the right thing to do, yeah.
hands on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, barely get rest. Catch through the mud, I get a check. He selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel a dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. 210, in the club, boy, like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, don't get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you finesse. I earn this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss, man, I keep catching the desk. All the cool fast when they in with an S.
Now that I'm home, back out the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, double my features.
I was right. You were too good to be true. Was this love fulfilling, or did I just fill my void like a fool? Yeah. That final night, when you said, damn, I miss you, I believed it, didn't I? 'Cause it felt like the right thing to do, yeah. 'Cause it feels like I owe you for all those years of happiness you brought me. You gave me that, so I'll give you that. Not one thing that I would take that feels like.
I noticed that I still having insects in my house since I got new plants, and I probably need to change the soil for the plants. But I'll have to do that later because right now, Miguel is busy and booked I'm busy. So yeah, I have to fix this part. This part where I have my client supply, I have my filming equipment, I have my not concluded DIYs that I'm supposed to have, like not concluded DIYs I'm supposed to have completed, and I probably will start them in this video or vlog.
All that other bullshit is here today and gone tomorrow.
I just had my bath. I want to make green tea because I always drink green tea for putting anything out in the morning. Why am I losing my voice? You see? My village people have realized that If they like, they should send a snake here today. I will keep doing my video. But somehow they had to attack my voice. It's not like I've ever had a good voice, so I'm going to continue with a bad voice like that, okay? So I just had my bath, like I said. I want to wait to do my tea and then wait for the rest of my beddings to get washed. Then I'll be heading out. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I want to do my face. I was looking like a face mask for people with big head before. Okay, I think we got it. So I learned something. I saw a video of some lady. She says her mom always cuts the mask because it always gives a whole hair, yeah? So I'm going to get scissors. Let's cut it. Let's see if it's good. I can't find my scissors. I'm trying my best to make this video aesthetic. It's not working.
I promise I'll repay you for what you did today. Until that day. Don't forget me!
I just got back from Ebano and I was trying to check the things I had in my fridge and like put things in my fridge, and I found this spoiled egg and some other stuff that I have. The reason I'm showing the egg is because it's not the first time. I've had eggs in my fridge several times get spoiled, and I hope this doesn't happen with this new one I got because I completely even forgot I had egg in my house. That's how bad. Well, at least it's spoiled, so thank God I bought a new one. I'm gonna try to cook now. Fried rice, egg fried rice. I don't have any other protein because I'm scared of buying meat in my house and not using it. I'm so stressed. Like, I only went to Ebano and I feel so stressed.
All that other bullshit is here today and gone tomorrow.
It's literally the next day, and you guys, I lied. I did not make no fried rice. I don't know why I always think that if buying groceries is going to be my motivation to cooking, and I always end up disappointing myself times without number. But I'm going to try because I really don't want this one I bought to get spoiled or wasted, because I work for this money. I work really hard, and I felt like this holiday was supposed to be my only time, or my long enough time to have long enough rest, and also like pick up and clean up my house, cook,
do food prep. Actually, I wanted to do food prep, but this is not something that is inbuilt. It's not inbuilt. Like, no, I wish it was. I wish it was, but I honestly think this is a sign that I don't love myself like enough, because why would I cook for myself? Like, I know my life depends on this, and I rather eat chocolate and biscuits all day because that's all I ate yesterday. By the way, it wasn't such a bad day yesterday. I completed one of my DIYs, the one that requires painting. So I'm going to clean out my art supply. You guys, I didn't show you where I dumped my art supply because I didn't want to. Yeah, I'm going to clean out my art supplies, wash my paint brushes, and hang up the art. I probably will hang it up in this video because why not? I'm also going to go ahead and water my plants. I didn't do that yesterday, and these plants have suffered. Like, I abandoned them and I traveled home and I'm back and I still did not. This is why I don't have pets, because I can't even take care of myself. How am I going to take care of your pets?